Hey guys, what's going on? A bit of a rough day in the market. I'm going to take a look at Solana. Ticker for this is SOL, and I'm currently on a weekly time frame. Before I get into the details, though, a couple things. First, if you're not subscribed and you want to get notified when I release new content, click subscribe, click the bell, click on all. Also, if you want to place to trade Solana or pretty much any of the other coins I talk about on this channel, I put a link to two exchanges in both the pinned comment and the description. Those are the ones that I personally use, and if you don't want to do KYC, the one you probably want to hit up is called BingX. I'll link that one first. And if you guys use those links to sign up, it's going to activate a sign up bonus for you. Okay, so Solana. Yeah, the market's dumping today, but looking at this chart with like a macro broad view perspective, everything on this particular chart looks okay, all right? So what I'm going to do, actually, I'm going to take this down to the daily time frame, and you'll see that we're in this pattern, right? So we have, basically we're forming lower highs, but we're also putting in higher lows. So nothing wrong with this yet, and you'll see that on this upsloping trend line support, we're basically at it right now, okay? So we have multiple touches on this. 1, 2, 3, and this is going to be the fifth touch on this upsloping level of support. So if you want to trade Solana, I definitely recommend that you draw this pattern on your chart just so you can monitor it, and if you want, place trades based on it, right? So the way to play this would be when the price comes down to it, it gives you a potential long opportunity. When the price comes up to it, it gives you a potential short opportunity. And the main advantage, of course, to buying off supports and selling off resistances is that you're able to put a stop loss that gives you a favorable risk-reward ratio, right? So yeah, just keep an eye on this. You don't want to see this break. However, even if this does break down, we do have nearby supports if it does, right? So actually, I'm going to take this back out to the weekly time frame. And here it's pretty obvious that the trend is intact, right? So on the way up, we dealt with several resistances, right? So if I take a Fibonacci retracement tool, I'm going to run it from the swing high down to the swing low, and let's see how the price responded to these levels. Okay, so it seemed to make it through the 50. Okay, didn't have too much resistance. Once we broke the 50, it was pretty much a straight shot right up to this resistance zone, which was the low of these candle bodies right here, and also the 65% retracement level. At the start of this zone, it was the 618. So this zone gave us a little bit of trouble, but not even that much, okay? We came up right to the 786, and from there we got smashed back down. We retested this 618 zone. We retested this 618 zone, also known as the golden pocket. We hovered around there for a while. We came up and we finally made it through this 786 Fibonacci retracement. And I drew this one as a zone as well because here we have the 786, but the top of this zone is based on the peak of these candle bodies right here. So you see this area was support right here. We came below it, came back up, then it flipped to a resistance. And as you can see here, where the price currently is, the peak of this zone is holding the price right now, right? So this is flipped from a resistance to a support. And you'll notice that here, while the price has traded below it, by the time the candle closes, buyers step in, defend the level, and the candle bodies close above this level, right? And that is about $138.37. So this is obviously an important level to watch. If we do break down below this upsloping level of support, this is going to be, again, a major support level to watch, right? So this zone should hold us. If we end up breaking through this upsloping level of support, it'll definitely be a sign of weakness, and if the price does start closing daily candles below here on the way back up, this current level of support is going to be a resistance, so keep that in mind, and another reason why you should have this marked on your chart. But then, of course, we have a major support level down here at the start of this box at around $123, right? So this box ranges from around $123 up to about $138. So yeah, if we start losing this, then that's going to be a really bad sign. However, I don't really think that's going to happen just given where we are historically in the market cycle. I think a lot of what is happening right now is just a prolonged shakeout period before the next leg up, so I'm not too stressed about it. However, this is a level I do not want to see get broken, obviously. Okay, so taking this back down to the daily, here's the level you want to watch. I mean, this probably wouldn't be a bad place to enter a long position because we are right up against the support level. But I think Bitcoin is going to come down a little bit more. And I'm also in a short on Chainlink. So I'm not going to enter a long here on Solana just because the current market condition. But just looking at this chart alone, obviously here would be a pretty good place to take a long, right? But that's all up to you and your risk tolerance. I'm just personally not going to take this long. All right, guys, that's just a quick update on Solana to show you where we currently are and the levels that I'm looking at. If you found it helpful, click like. And then, of course, if you want to get notified when I release new videos, click subscribe, click the bell, click on all, and check out the links in the pinned comment and the description if you want to get some bonuses to the exchanges that I use. All right, guys, take care. Have a good day. Bye.